Namaste, Pandit Fakiri Virendra ji.
You are welcome to Chaudhary Island. Sir, tell me, Dr. Satyan, how are you, sir?
I am very fine, sir.
Very good, very good.
What is the contribution of Pingaladi in your life?
Look at this. Focus this. This is Pingal contribution. Pingal has made me a millionaire. Pingal has made me a permanent resident of BB Nagar. He has given me rights as other BB Nagar residents are there. I have some acres of land. There is my acres of diamond. Otherwise, I could not be a resident of BB Nagar. Pingal has given so much, nobody has given in my life. G.V. Krishna Reddy came and he went away. But Pingal is there and I bless him that he should remain 100 years. I am his father age. My all the sincere prayer to the Almighty Father that Pingal is a great. I told you once, he is avatar, and that was never wrong. For others what he is I don't care. But for me he is avatar, he is incarnation of God. He is my godfather, he is protecting me. He has given this, just focus on that. Please come inside. Dr. Satyan, please come inside. Look at this, this is his contribution. He has given everything and now much more to come. With the blessings of that great avatar Pingal Lady, Sati Babu, front will be my automotive sector. Fuel station, car and bike service center, dedicated 50% commercial. 50% back will be a sports complex. Everything you will find. Cricket in box, pickleball, tennis, shuttle, basketball, volleyball, and it will be dedicated for yoga, this land. How could I do unless Honorable Mr. GPR sir has not given me the land? So you know why I told Pingal is God for me?
Yes.
Nobody has done in my life as he has done. He has sponsored my daughter. He has sponsored my daughter Sati Babu.
Yes, I know that.
And the biggest support is that he is one of the towering personality of this country. People may think he is a statesman. No, he is not a statesman. He is a statesman. What is?
Statesman.
A statesman means he is a leader.
Yes.
A statesman not. A statesman of the world.
Yes.
A wise man belong to the world, not to a state or district or a country.
Yes.
Wisest man. The most powerful man. A brave man.
Yes.
He is a fearless man. He is an honest man. He knows the man, understand everything like your thermometer can know the temperature. Your cardiovascular measuring equipment know the ECG. MRI knows exactly how the functions are working. He is such an intelligent man. He is a wonderful man. So, if Mr. Pingaledi sir is listening, sir, I am grateful to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
But one request. Whatever my dream, you support me. Don't give your dream to me. Because your dream are your dream, my dream is my dream. A man must be what he can be. Tell me, Sati.
A man must be what he can be.
What you can be, I cannot be.
Yes.
A dog cannot become a lion. A lion cannot become a cow. We are all born with different traits, different interests. My only interest is to live every moment serving people. I give an example. You know Diogenes the Great?
Yes.
You know the Diogenes the Great?
Yes.
He was contemporary of Plato.
Yes.
Plato asked him, Diogenes the dog, Diogenes the cynic, Diogenes the synope, you are as talented and great as
Socrates.
Socrates, but you have gone mad.
But you again.
You can be a counselor to the honor of this country,
Yes.
to the king and the emperor.
Yes.
So if you can quote to the king or emperor, why you are washing vegetable
In the
at the stall,
resto. In the resto.
a resto? He said, if I am happy to wash the vegetable at the resto, why should I go and quote the king?
Yes.
Means I enjoy what I do.
Yes.
For you, king is important. For me, the restaurant is important.
Yes.
He gives me food. If I wash his vegetable, he gives me little food. So what I tell you, every person has his own interest. But interest should not be selfish. Interest should be selfless for the people. So if I put a petrol bunk, I see Parmar Somaram, Bengriyal, Bibi Nagar, they all people travel this road. Sometimes their tank is empty. They park the vehicles there and they go 5 kilometers. Then they bring petrol.
Yes.
See the service I am giving.
Yes.
It is not a commercial activity. I am not a commercial man. I am a Pandit who loves all. I am a Fakir who has wisdom to serve all. And I am Yogi Virendra Yogi, dedicated, committed to serve people. So your question, contribution of Honorable Mr. GPR sir, nobody in my life has done as much help he has done. Last but not the least, he is Alexander. Nobody can dare to look at me. He knows Bahubali इसके पीछे है. What better than that? Long live the spirit of GPR. Thank you.
Thank you.